guys, we're actually walking through this amazing office space that's available for rent here in Sheffield Village. Let's go check it out. I love this little waiting area that your clients can wait for your appointment. I think this is fantastic. So now we're in the bullpen, and here is actually the owner, Dave. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Hello.
Thanks for giving us a little tour today.
Yeah, oh my gosh, of course.
Yeah, so if you can take us through, that would be amazing.
Sure.
Awesome.
Sure.
So this is actually my favorite part of the tour. This is definitely the hangout spot, the kitchen. There's so many perks to renting these spaces over here. For instance, this is a conference room that you can also use. As well as, did I mention you get a gym membership that's absolutely included, as well as a whole other office space in the Strongsville area. You can bounce back and forth, or you can use one that you prefer. So these P.O. boxes, you can rent those as well. But I thought this was an amazing feature. So you can have your very own private video chat. Close the door and you'll be in private. So Dave, I absolutely love what you did with this whole space.
Thank you.
Can you tell me about the options as far as the different offices that you can rent?
Sure, so this back here, this is open space seating. So if you wanted that kind of comfortable feel of maybe like going to a Starbucks or going to just an open cafe, this is kind of it.
Love it.
So you have your kitchenette there that's always fully stocked, so coffees, juices, waters, snacks as well. So just a comfortable environment to get away. Plus it's a little more private as well. We have another option that's a semi-private or dedicated desk area. You share an office with about 4 or 5 individuals. So it gives you kind of that dedicated space where I don't have to take my laptop home or computer. I can leave all my office equipment here, but still have that private space. It's just shared with a few more people. So, and then we have the luxury of having a private office, which are fully furnished. It's your own space, so it's only you that have the access to it. You can really come in and get motivated and creative, and it's a great environment because you can still come out here and network with people, but you can just get away and still work on your own. So
yeah, that's great. So if you want any additional information, you can contact us today about pricing, availability, and this is a great space. Thanks so much.
Thank you. No, I appreciate it. Thank you very much.